Hey everybody, it's Sandra with 1989, and I got something today that's exciting. Oh, glass is a little dirty, guys. I got some mice. They're so cute. I got breeder mice because of my Beardy, which is pretty content right now because he got some dusted crickets today, and I think this is the only one that's still in there. Yeah, right there. That's the only one left. Oh, nope, we got one right there. And one on the side of the box. But that's pretty much it. Yeah, he got super excited. So, there he is. Oh, she. They're like, I don't want to come out. No. Come on. There we go. So here we are. So the black one is the male, and then the tan one is the female. They're so cute. I don't know if they bite. I guess we're about to find out. Okay, here we go. There's one. Oh. There's the other. And that one's got red eyes. So, I got them in a 10-gallon tank. And it's one of the ones that I got from Jack's probably a year ago. It was the whole aquarium set. If you hear a bunch of noise in the background, that's just my dog. He's excited. He got a rawhide bone today. So he's in the other room throwing it every which way he can. But that just opens up, so that's where I'm going to keep all the stuff for the hamsters. Mice. Let's see. I got the pine bedding, the little bag. They got a little wheel. The mouse and rat food, a water bottle, this cute little dish that I just absolutely love, and these were on sale for $1. They're bird toys, but nonetheless, you know, they're safe for mice too, so. Combined with the mice and everything, I probably spent about $20 tops. Yeah. So, yeah, I'm going to get it set up, and then I will finish the video.